Chamgei chitab Kalenjin amang'ung'ui tugul ole imite koibaibai ak ikere ketesiet nebo Kass TV itagat eng logoiwekab emet. Kigurena Jacqueline Arusei. Kitaune county nebo Bomet ole yautik chebo yatitetab tibiik ko yautik chekikosir kasarta ako notok konyolu eng biikab emet komong'e ako kirinda notok. Nitok ko boisiet nekoimong'e kamati kobun Kamasiro eng Chebunyo chebo Lungu che icheket ko kimite tai eng yatitetab tibiik ako esho chekiyotitoi tibiik kole boisie eng inguni icheket konet ako kokoito logoiwek koityi ofisekab ribsetab kalyet eng komaswek tugul eng takchinetab kekirinda yautik chebo yatitetab lagok che tibiik. Karutechi Festus Rono grupit notok bo Anti-FGM Self-Help Group eng Kamasiro akoibwech report neisubi.
Kirindaetab yautik chekikosir kasarta chebo yatitaetab tibiik en county nebo Bomet ko kikomong'e kamatik chekimiten tai en kasuldaetab yatitaetab tibiik kobun Kamasiro en Chebunyo ako esio yautik chebo yatitaetab tibiik, kiit nekamwa ichek kole mait konyorunen kelchin mung'aranotok.
Betut agenge kitam koit December olombo arawetab 8-9 kinome kebongoni kelele kituyechin ano koisi lagok ata. Ko ingepangan ngunon ko kikonyo kerat sukul lagok kenoe kityo kele kokesich lagok chetiana. Ngoit yono kebirchigei kele kabit lagok koisich ata kole ngokosich cheten kole. Kolen siling ata ko ingen ile ngelechi lakwet ko 20,000 kocheru ngamun komoe keyochin kasinoton. Ko nguni any kikiyai kasino lakini kikibunu uinwek, kiitot kasarta agenge nekikong'wek kituyengei mahali fulani keng'wektech. Kemwochi kirwokik kobwa asikarik. Ngunon boisionieb tibiik komo en kila kin once in a year, ki December inegen. Ako rabisiek chotet ingenam kora komoite wui. Kingenam ot ko 1,100 ak kepchechigei ko moite kora ko nibore iker kai koit kisib kobi komait December nin kora. Ko momi kiy neyoe en kwenet ireu baka kotatun koit kora kotatun koit kenyinoton. Ko nguni yu kimurus ko kaikai ngamun kisiche kila yani makou kita. Nabwat ot ale wikini amoe rabisiek asiche ngamun atinye ngwek, atinye nyanyik, yamait ot koruryo abolu ot komiten bedsheet ak aalde.
Jane Cheruyot ko agenge en kamatik nekamwa ine kole kiyai boisionoton maiyanat nebo yatitaetab tibiik en kasarta nekoi, kiit nekamwa kole ng'oi kot missing boisionoton akot en kasarta nekamwa ine kole kichang biik anan kwonyik kobun kebeberwek cheterter chekimoche keyatita.
Kobwa asikarik kerwai kebun oinetab Chepkulon ikele malach beek ako lagok kikimi tugul ko chemongen kobir beek. Kingeten alak Nakuru olimbo Kericho komongen kobir beek. Keba kosorwech any kityo biik ngamun kingen kole kibunu uinwek ko kikimiten tugul kolandech en oinet nebo Chepkulon. Ko kit nomwoe any bichon ndokowotito lagok obakach kabisa. Makararan kibune challenges chechang ako makaran kora ongekas kora. Kiit any wakati any agenge nekikikurech kele ketuyechi mahali ko makikany kele uon bokerotech. Kekurgei kiyokwech agenge kelechech kebe kwoeng ko ang'wan kot kele kot kebwan tugul kiba kelechech any kakimoche okurwe bichan tugul chon tam choyoe kasino ko makikany kekur any netam koyoe kasinotet kele ng'wan kekur kor kole kaking'wekte. Kiba kekas korong kele uon mayach ng'alek ako kakoam iman kesikun.
Tos amune nekiyai biikab emet koyatita tibiik kosubkei ak Jane komatinye komonut agetugul yatitaetab tibiik ak wektoi let boisionikab bandab tai en bororiet.
Kit nekeyoe sikeyatiten kwonyik ko kicheng'etos icheket ngamun kang'et ngomeny kot lakwet nekakitun kobokousose ak bondanyin kole mara kakile keburkur lakwet kekwany kimyet nemaruru chomu kimyet nebo meliat koamuani sinye kinyokeyatiten asikokerkeit ak chun. Nibuch ane akere ane komami tofauti kaikai ne kobur chito kou eleu kosir kele kakinyokeyatita kobur ne kou eleu ne.
Sarah Kalia akine ko agenge en chekimiten tai en boisionoton maiyanat ole kamwa ine kole yautik chebo yatitaetab tibiik ko kikosir kasarta ak boisienywan en inguni ko konet ak kokoito logoiwek koityi serikali en chi agetugul netakochutyin mung'aranotok.
Kiane neai soiti Kiobo yotitoisiet mi chorwenyun nekitam kemiten Twan nekikiyotitoisiet Twan anyine. Ko kingeyoe boisioni ko kitam kekure kityo kelenjech anchu lagok chekakochobok. Kelelen ata lagok chemi yono chemi bitonin okirwet ak chemiten bitonin. Yani kium lagok en betut agenge ak keyatite. Lakini kibore keker any kabisa ko kiit kotamemi ot tumwek kingokakonatech kirwokik ko ki en keny yani en ng'alekab yotitoisiet anan motirnotet nekikitinye ko kimonyolu asinye ngeyatita lakwet ak kebai ak kwa kebai komonyolu koker mureno amun ngoker ko kang'wanit koyoche kotor kele okonu kit nekionyinyen.
Yan kakas ale miten chi nemoe koyatita lakwet keakure kurupit nanyun nebo DFGN ak alei kakas fununu en ireu ako ongesip kesorun. Ko ngokerech ot bichotet icheket kosip komue ngamun kiokerech kole bichu ngunon ot kirwokik ko kikimungyi ak asikarik ngunon kokeku kirwokik en ireu ngamun kokesikyi ot koyai boisiet age keyai nombo yatitaetab tibik keripchi en komosi. Ngamun ot kingonyo kirwokik kelelonchon kakoit ko kokekur ara kirwokik lelen uon kakikere kour en ireu koker inye anan kokakas fununu. Ngot kotokomiten koyatita komekowotito.
Ko ki biik alak ko kimiten ine Misri ine kimiten uritiet. Ko ngap kimiten uritiet kerutechi biikab kanisa ak kebe tugul kibagenge makisas bichuton ak kiamdechi kwo kobwa lain iman any kounoniton akot kingebendi tuiyosiek kebendi chebo Red Cross ko kikiimu korok kobwa ko ak keng'any Bible ak keng'ololchi kwo kele obakach tumwechu kosibot lagok.
Kwanosiek ak ichek kobun Kamosiro komwoe kole momi kasarta netakochomchin lagokwak chetibik keyatita.
Kong'eten any my brothers tugul atinye my brothers cheosen ak lagokyuk komakiyatita agetugul. Ngap kingeyatita chito ko kicham kowendi kele kakwo tumdo makako chito neo ko kiteto kole kayam kitun. Lakini chon kimobendi secondary. Kiite class 8 ala class 6 kobakach sukul. Ko ndekibo secondary ko chon makiyatita ko kiteto koba secondary kokotar ot university. So mochomchini lakwet agetugul keyatita.
Kounoton ko kichutyi kibagengeit nebo Kenya Red Cross akotoret kamatichoton asikomuch koistoengei yautik chebo yatitaetab tibik ole kosubkei ak ichek ko kikonyorunen kelchin kabatisiet kobun toretet nebo kibagengeit noton bo Kenya Red Cross. Kong'eten kaunti nebo Bomet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Festus Rono.
Kakomongei senators chebo emoni akoesho logoiwechoto kimwa president kole mitei alak eng senators chebo emoni chemoche kokochi governors rabisiek asikokoito report nekararan kotinygei ak ortinwek cheyoe boisionikwak eng serikalishekab counties. Kondochin nebo ng'echeret eng committee notok nebo Senate nebo Public Accounts Committee notok ko Senator kora nebo Homa Bay Moses Kajwang kokamwa Kajwang kole maiman logoiwechotok ako notok konyolu eng president konyo taitab Senate ak koaror eng koindo.
Is for the speakers to convene the necessary committees and using Article 125 summon the president to come and give evidence of 150 million from Isiolo, summon the president to give evidence of 10 million on anti-money laundering bill and to give further evidence that he has. That is how the constitution that we have is drafted. And that is a challenge we are putting out to the speakers, not to protect parliament, but to ensure that for the good of the public, the very gross allegations made by the president can be investigated and the public can also get closure because there are clear mechanisms for resolution of unethical conduct.
If speakers don't know how to do it, they can borrow a leave from Kome, Mother Kome, the head of judiciary. And I think the institution, then they have a responsibility, a duty of care to protect. Chair, this protection is important because you need to operate in an environment that you feel safe.
Correct.
It cannot be that anybody who wants to invade Parliament, they have a free day, to do what they want to do. No, the Speaker must be able to say, you know what, we draw the line in the sun. Correct. This is how far you can go. Beyond this, if you have something to say about Parliament, there are procedures to say.
So I think our message is that as Parliament, we are open to scrutiny. And that scrutiny
that is the point.
Must be done in accordance with the Constitution we have, not the Constitution that we wish to have. That scrutiny must be done in accordance with the parliamentary powers and privileges Act, which has given the speakers certain powers to deal with unethical conduct. And we want to challenge all those who are making allegations that we can even have a formal and proper inquiry. And we also want to challenge the president. If you know these people, do not be mourning and crying like every other common person. As a consumer of raw intelligence and as a person who can direct the DCI to carry out investigations, please, Kenyans want action. We have had enough talk. Let there be action on the parts of perpetrators of unethical behavior. When it comes to the institution of parliament, the speakers must stand up.
Escape this accountability session because he knew very well, Chair, that if he would have appeared before this committee, even I've looked at the responses and I'm happy, Chair, you did direct that they were responses. I've read through the responses. He could not account for it. He could not account for it. So, Chair, I think finally on the observation that the issue of governors appearing, Chair, I take a very different approach because, you know, yesterday I was laughing in a forum where we were including, you saw me laughing in devolution, is because I know there is an Oparanya case and the courts have litigated on this matter once and for all. Governors must and should appear before the Senate and before the Parliament. Article of the Constitution says any committee of the Parliament has the power to invite or summon any witness to assist in the investigations.
The Supreme Court was very clear, and we can even, Chair, we can even buy a full page in the newspaper and give a summary of that decision so that the message is out loud and clear. The highest court under Article 163 is the Supreme Court. There is no any other place you can go to seek a different interpretation than what the Supreme Court of Kenya has provided.
Kango mange go kweta baishek nebo Kipsigis Community Clans Association ago match kalelitetab namunetab rabishek anan kalitetab namunetab rabishek cheite billion agenge chekinyor serkalishekab counties chebo Bomet ak Kericho kobun kamunetab Lipton eng shares chebo walet eng namunetab mbarenik chebo multinationals eng counties ichotok tuwai kosubkei ak Kipsigis Community Clans komagat keboishe katuyetab kei nebo Kipsigis Trust eng teleljinetab rabishek jotok.
Kong'ololjin ketishani en oret ne inegen kamwa kokwetab boisiek nebo Kipsigis Community Clans Association kondochin sirindetab kibagengeit Joel Kimeta kole magat keboisien katuyetab kei anan trust nebo Kipsigis en boisietab rabisiek cheite bilionit agenge chekinyor counties chebo Kericho ak Bomet kobun multinationals en shares chebo waletab namunetab mbarenik choton.
Kokakimwa Kipsigis en betutab raini kele kingomondo Lipton Teas and Infusion kokon rapinik kokoi Kipsigis 1 billion Kenya shillings. Ko rapinik choto ko kikami biik chekimoe kowis kole kikoi sako agenge anan ko koborit keesye. Kowis kora kole moe kikoi Kericho County ak Bomet County keesye. Kakeng'ololji biik chekimi bitonin kokon any biik chekibore Human Impact Pathway chekinyokokose kole rapinik chu kotokindo ano. Ko kimoe koto bichuto trust nemoe kinde rapinik chebo Kipsigis. Ko katil tuyetab raini kole acha echek Kipsigis ketinye trust nenyon.
Amun miten kou trust nekikechob ko Kipsigisiek. Mi trust nebo Kipsigis Community Charitable Trust. Trust noton konyolu kotoret Kipsigisiek amun nyolu tuguk chemi kapchainyun kinde cheb Lipton 1 billion. Konyolu komi legut nebo Kipsigis nekikechob a trust nemiten asikeboisien kingen ole chito netieche kweyot nengen ele chile ko chito netieche kweyot en Kipsigis ko Kipsigisiek enyewe ko lazima kikochi amun kile Lipton rabisiek choton ko chechok bo Kipsigis mawal kutit so nyolu kobwa Kipsigis keboisien en trust nekikeformen nebo Kipsigis.
Kamwa boisiek choton chekaboto nebo ng'echeret en kokwonoton John Rob kole tindoi kamuget ak kimnotet nebo kotelelchi ole kaiyonchin ak chebo ng'echerok en Kipsigis Community Clans Association chemiten ortinwek cheite 200 en Kipsigis chemiten en kibagenge.
Tindoi Kipsigis lengut nenywan kikokile kimoe 1 billion sichoto kinde lengutab Kipsigisiek tugul. Kokatil chairman chebo Kipsigis tugul. So kandoik chemiten politics konyolu okuye ole magutikab Kipsigis ko rabinikab Kipsigis ko mabokeboisien ketegen Referral Hospital. Aja kasino kobo serikali. Makimoe kora kele ketegen barabarosiek. Ko kakirebe serikali national ak county kasinywan. Rabinik chekakile bendi community koba community trust. Ak ketindoi community trust inoto.
Ai ngalale ngalekab unity en Kipsigis. Unity ko kakimwochigei kongoi amun Kipsigisiek komi kibagenge. En kiy age tugul nekiyoe keker keyoe tugul. Kemoche kemisan kele en tuguchu tugul kitesetai keyoe kemoche kimnotet amun echek kandoik chebo Kipsigis ketinye kimnotet nekiokonech kobo Kipsigisiek.
Ngalekab kosyinet en Kipsigis ak kibagenge ko mornet neindochin Kipsigis tugul ko nekikuren Kipsigis Community Clans Organization. Koyometab gei nebo bororietab Kipsigis tugul. Mokolenjin any bororietab Kipsigis tugul ko kakile ngap mite koyomoni bogei nebo Kipsigis ko matindoi chito age chomchinet kobo kowon ngalekab ng'ung'unyatab Kipsigis akobo ngalek chekinyalile chumbek. Ngalekab cooperatives anan ko self-help groups ko nyolu konai raini kole matindoi chomchinet icheket kowon historical injustices anan kanyalilet nekinyalile chumbek. Mornet netindoi kekuren Kipsigis Community Clans Organization.
Kasom icheket kandoikab polatet en counties chebo Kericho ak Bomet kotoret icheket asikosulda magutikwak ak konyor icheket imanda.
Ngebe komostab kandoik ko kandoik omiono. Kandoik chekikilewen omiono. Kong'eten inginam boisioni kikinomen 2011. Mami kandoindet ot agenge nekikonyo akopakenech. Mami kandoindet nekikonyo akoib chechit. Kandoik agus kong.
Okamwa kole kong'eten ra kokakinam banda nelel. Kong'eten raini kemoe kewolwech imandanyon nekikeseretyo kiseretyo boisiekyok. Aini ko kimi kora ko kiseretosi Kipkoi ak Kipkoi. Kikeib mutworik ak en imbarenyon. Kimoche kiam ng'ung'unyandenyon. Kimoche imandanyon. Ko ki Kipsigis ko koroti ra konamgei eun koik agenge akomwa kole kilondoi kimoche kekonech imandanyon.
Kobo iman ako kikisibu kiy ko betusiek chechang. Kemoe kemwoe kityo kandoikyok kelenji sikotoretech en bani kibendi. Ingeng'olole kabilani komi biik chetwoitwou cheyomi kotwa boisiechu ako ngotwoe komokyingei kiy.
Kang'ong icheket kole mawekse let kot konyor imanda ak sobet nekararan kobun mbarenikwak.
Ko Kipsigis kole bo kiwonech chumbek nenyon kole nenyon kasara Mungu kole kosei kaibit kole yebit iman kole iman bakasane kole bo
abai kole abai kole abai kokichor lalatet mie kole mie kole mie iut ng'otiten imut keleut iuten ng'aimet keleut iut keleut keleuten birsi keleut kole kim.
Kong'eten county nebo Kericho logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Robert Siele.
Kaindoji benkitab Absa Bank taunet anan lumdaetab account nebo Sheria Compliant Account eng chokchinetab kokimit kwanyik cheisuldae mung'aret. Kamwa ofisat neo eng benkitab Absa Yusuf Omari kole koib kakwautiet benkitab Absa nebo kotoi account notok pa Sheria Compliant eng katarchinetab kekimit kwanyik cheisuldae mung'aroshek eng emet.
We are here because we are here to support and ensure that each and every woman has an opportunity to run a business in a sustainable manner. So Absa Bank has sat down and spoken about, first and foremost, women in leadership. Then we said about women in business, because this is our journey. From an internal perspective, we are also showing up, making sure that women step up. And believe me, today we have more women in leadership than we've ever had before, women sitting on the board, making sure that we intentionally include women in every conversation that we have. We came up with the name Sultana deliberately, but in Arabic, it evokes strength, leadership, and dignity. And I thought that was really important for women. And that is exactly what this proposition represents, the power of women to lead, to inspire and to shape communities and economies. Our brand purpose at Absa Bank speaks to empowering Africa's tomorrow, one story at a time. It embodies our commitment to innovate financial solutions that cater to all, despite age, religion. Through Sultana, we will provide women with the tailored Sharia-compliant financial solutions, capacity building, financial literacy opportunities, networks, platforms that connect women to the markets, mentors, and growth opportunities.
We were the first bank in Kenya, listed bank, to have a 50-50 diversity ratio at a board level. And I can tell you, it's, again, and I'm repeating this, it's time for women. Really glad. Sultana, the first in the market, dedicated specifically for women, is a proposition that I must say really proud for us to be able to launch this. And a request to you, please embrace it. Please look at the proposition and share a lot of feedback in terms of how we can make it even better.
By choosing this name, Absa is not just branding a product, you are affirming a woman's rightful place at the center of the economy. It is catered to women who deserve finance that respects their values. We are talking about ambition with ethics. And that's why Sultana, blended with the Islamic principles, becomes a unique selling point for sustainability. This product bridges the worlds of faith, gender, finance, and development. It is proof that financial inclusion can be ethical, sustainable, and transformative. So I urge Absa to continue working alongside women, not just as clients, but as partners, in creating communities and a nation that we will all be proud of. And to the women here today, Sultana is yours. Take it, own it, use it, and let it be a tool not just for survival, but for prosperity, for legacy and impact.
Chitap kalenzin gagi tukchota ga metablogo chok chebay met agi mochke bunwangete studio nebo Kass TV gongo missing abranden gai gone chugere logo gabe met kigurena Jacqueline Arusei aga makun kitsa ketukulamia.